Hi, Thierry from RX Sport. Welcome to our club swinging module 1. This module 1 is about single club swinging, but it's going to lay all the foundations that you need to progress to the double club swings. Now, the module has been designed with the new beginners in mind and group training. So we're going to cover everything from how to set up the class, the safety aspect, give the minimum cues that people need to know and get going with the training, so they can get a positive experience from the first time they're introduced to club swinging. Our Module 1 course is based on Kalakatai, which is the Tamil approach to club swinging. The practitioners in this style work with 2 hands on the club, 1 hand on the clubs, and work with 2 clubs as well. So it's very wide and varied. Offers a lot of interesting challenges coordination wise, because we integrate footwork and movement with the club swinging. In many of the exercises we're going to be working with 2 hands on the club, so it allows your clients to handle a heavier club than they would typically do if they were to start with 2 clubs. Now, the coordination requirements when working with a single club are of course less than if you have to coordinate 2 Indian clubs at the same time. So this is why we like to focus on this before we progress to the double clubs. Working with the single club allows you to refine the technique, and the leading hand is going to help teach the less coordinating hand how to handle the club. So eventually you're going to have a better foundation to approach the double club swinging. So the way this Module 1 course is going to work is that we're going to go straight into the workout. I'm going to give you minimal cues during the warm-up and while we're training. And at the end, once we're done, then we're going to go through every aspect of club swinging. And you'll be able to recognize some of the cues that I gave during the workout, which cover the key principles of club swinging. So basically it boils down to making this as accessible to everybody, so they can get straight into the training before we start filling up their heads with too much technique. As you are studying this video course, we also want you to go back to the PDF files, because we get a better learning experience out of seeing, doing, but also reading the information.